Hello guys, it's the second video on a Quartus. Uh, when you open Quartus 13.0 SP1 software, you found this pop-up. You simply close it up. Now we see simple program using Quartus. Okay, file, new. Uh, we here we create a verilog HDL file. So you choose verilog HDL file and press OK. It's a console. Here you type your program. I know you are beginner, so I also learn how to write a program. First we start with module, and here whatever name you give this module is must be your program name. Here we give XYZ and bracket. Now what you write in this bracket, here you write a pin number, pin name which you use in the program. Let's me simple it. I hope it's visible. In a simple program we try to create a not get. Okay, it's a output Z with input AB. This is the things which we want to create using a Quartus software. So now you get why we write in a module A, B and Z. Z is our output, A and B is our input. So Z, A, B, and it's a executable line, so we put yes semicolon. Okay, now second line is input. What are our input? A and B. Third line is output, it's a Z, and fourth line. Now we want to AND operation, so simply write AND, and for the bracket, what you write in a bracket? First, the first variable is your output, and second, after the second is your input A and B. Our program is done, so we end module. Now we end our module. Okay, here I save it. What is your program name? What is your module name? XYZ. So you give this program name is XYZ. It's a mandatory to give this name and save. Whenever you save your program, it's time to create a wizard. How we create wizard? It's shown here. Okay, when your program save, no, next, here we need to select our device. If you watch our previous video, you saw that we download all this device, and also we download Altera software. Here we select a Cyclone 2, next, next, and finish. It's time to compilation, processing, and start compile. Its shortcut is Ctrl+L. The program is compiling. Okay. Here you see compilation process is done. We ignore the warnings. If you mistake in write a program, it's give you error, so you need to correct your program. Okay, We see how to create RTL view, which we create in a paint. Same view we get it through this program. So go in a tools, netlist viewer and RTL viewer. Here you get your RTL view. See, A, B and Z is our output. Any compact circuit also you create using this logic. We see this in our next video. Now we also want a waveform from this our program. Means input is 1, output input 1 0 0 1. This kind of graph symmetric view we also want to see. How can we get it? File, new, and go in a universal program VWF and OK. Here you get a window, second window. Here your program is behind the screen. You edit, insert node bus, node finder, list. So it's give you a list of your pin A, B and output Z. Simply you put all these pins in a second column and OK. OK, you get here how we edit the waveform. Simply select it, pick here 1, so 1 and 1. If you not want to do this and you want to give it a clock cycle, so simply click here on a C, set the clock second. Here we set 100 nanosecond and OK. You see it's a clock pulse. Now it's part to simulation and first I show you something. I click simulation and option. If you not install model sim means Altera software, so you need to put on a Quartus 2 simulator, and if you have a model sims then click here. I show both of you. I click a Quartus 2 simulation and OK. Now it's ready to simulate the program. Simulation, run functional simulation. And we also want to save the program with the same name XYZ. Again simulation is done and you get the graph of output. Here we create an AND gate. So 1 1 is 1, other all are 0. When 1 and 1 both input are 1, you get 1, other all are 0. I also simulate it with the model sim. See it's work or not. Model sim, select simulation, run functional simulation. It's also working. No need to worry about this. You use both of them.